The Curious Case of Plot Bunnies. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idioms and phrases to uncover the meaning of the term, plot bunny. Ever heard of it? If not, you're in for a treat. Plot bunny is a term often used in the writing and fanfiction community. A plot bunny is an idea for a story that refuses to go away until it's written. Just like a persistent bunny hopping around in your garden, a plot bunny continuously hops around in a writer's mind, urging them to write it down. Though the exact origin of the term is a bit mysterious, it's believed to have come from the idea that these plot ideas multiply quickly, much like rabbits or bunnies are known to do. So, a single idea can lead to multiple other ideas, creating a cascade of plot points that a writer feels compelled to explore. To truly grasp the concept, let's look at how plot bunny can be used in a sentence. 1. I was trying to focus on finishing my novel, but then this plot bunny about a time-traveling detective wouldn't leave me alone. 2. Do you ever get a plot bunny so strong that you drop everything just to write it down? 3. My friend gave me a great idea for a story, and now that plot bunny is all I can think about. Terms like plot bunny are fascinating because they give insight into the quirky language and idioms writers use to describe their creative process. If you ever find yourself in a conversation with writers or fanfiction enthusiasts, dropping the term plot bunny will show them you're in the know. Plus, it's a fun way to describe those persistent ideas that just won't leave you alone. We hope you've enjoyed this hop into the world of plot bunnies. Remember, language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about the colorful idioms and phrases that give it character. Until next time, happy writing and keep those plot bunnies hopping.